Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video is on the best lawn rollers. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing, and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5. The VEVOR 13-gallon lawn roller is a practical solution for creating a smooth, healthy, and well-maintained lawn. Its large-capacity drum can be filled with sand or water to provide the right amount of weight for pressing grass seed into the soil, improving seed-to-soil contact for better germination. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this roller is built to withstand regular outdoor use while maintaining excellent balance and stability. The ergonomic U-shaped handle allows for comfortable pushing and pulling, making it easy to maneuver across lawns, gardens, farms, and parks. Thoughtful features, including a secure fill plug, rounded drum edges, and a built-in metal scraper, help ensure smooth operation while reducing soil buildup and preventing lawn damage. When the job is finished, the roller is easy to empty, transport, and store, making it a reliable addition to your lawn care equipment. Number 4. The IRONMAX 17-gallon lawn roller is designed to help you achieve a smooth, healthy, and professionally maintained lawn with minimal effort. Featuring a versatile tow-behind and manual push design, it can be attached to a tractor for covering large areas or used by hand in smaller spaces. The 17-gallon drum can be filled with water or sand, allowing you to adjust the weight based on your lawn care needs, from leveling uneven ground to improving seed-to-soil contact. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and a rust-resistant finish, this roller is made to withstand years of outdoor use. A removable drain plug makes filling and emptying quick and convenient, while the integrated scraper rod helps prevent dirt buildup during operation. Ideal for lawns, gardens, and landscaping projects, it delivers consistent results season after season. Number 3. The Brinly 28-gallon combination push/tow lawn roller is a versatile lawn care tool designed to create a smooth, even surface with less effort. Its dual-purpose design allows you to push it by hand for tight spaces or tow it behind a lawn tractor to cover larger areas efficiently. The durable poly drum holds up to 28 gallons of water or sand, providing the weight needed to flatten uneven ground, improve seed-to-soil contact, and help establish new sod. Unlike traditional steel rollers, the polyethylene drum resists rust, dents, and weather damage for dependable long-term performance. An easy-turn tethered plug stays attached to the drum, making filling and draining simple, preventing accidental loss. The wide fill opening also speeds up the process, allowing you to get to work faster. It's an excellent choice for maintaining healthy, attractive lawns throughout the year. Number 2. The Goplus 13-gallon lawn roller is an efficient lawn care tool designed to help you create a smooth, healthy, and professionally maintained yard. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and a rust-resistant powder-coated finish, it offers dependable durability for long-term outdoor use. The 13-gallon drum can be filled with water or sand to provide the ideal weight for leveling uneven ground, improving seed-to-soil contact, and encouraging healthy grass growth. Its versatile push, pull, and tow-behind design makes it suitable for lawns of all sizes, while the ergonomic U-shaped handle ensures comfortable operation with less effort. Rounded drum edges allow for smooth turns without damaging the turf, and the integrated scraper bar helps prevent dirt and debris from collecting during use. Lightweight when empty and easy to store, this lawn roller is a practical choice for homeowners and garden enthusiasts alike. Number 1. The Agri-Fab tow-behind poly lawn roller is designed to deliver professional quality lawn leveling and soil preparation for homeowners and garden tractor users. Featuring an 18-inch diameter and 36-inch wide durable poly drum, it provides wide coverage for efficient rolling across large areas. When filled with water, it can reach up to 400 pounds of weight, helping to flatten uneven soil, press down newly laid sod, and improve seed-to-soil contact for healthier grass growth. Its tow-behind design makes it ideal for use with lawn and garden tractors, allowing you to cover more ground with less effort. The lightweight poly drum resists rust and corrosion, while the strong steel frame adds stability and long-lasting durability. A convenient drain and fill plug allows easy filling with a standard garden hose and quick emptying after use. Built for reliability and consistent performance, it is a practical choice for maintaining a smooth, even lawn.